Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can send email using our Mailchimp. So for that, open up your Mailchimp account, and after that you will see this option of campaigns here. Just click on it. You can either create a new campaign or select an already existing campaign. Just click on the edit option on the already existing campaign, and after that you need to make sure that all these four headers had a green check mark right beside them, and for that you need to add recipients here to make it green over here, and also add who is sending this email. Then you will also see second green mark here, and after adding the subject you will see the third green mark here. And make sure that you design your content quite well. For that you need to click on edit and just design your email the way you want it to be, and after that just click on save and exit, and then you will find a green mark over here on the content side. And after having four green marks here, you will be able to see this option as send here. Then just click on send, and that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.